Hello, welcome to ANA community. In this particular video, we are going to discuss Rajasika Ahara Lakshana, which may lead to the increase of Rajo Dosha in the body. So, when you think about the Rajo Dosha, Prakopa Karana, it is being mentioned the Bhagavad Gita, chapter number 17. It is being mentioned that Katvamla Lavanatyushna Tikshna Ruksha Vidahinaha Ahara Rajasasyeshta Dukha Shokamaya Pradaha. Bhagavad Gita 17th chapter 9th shloka. Katu, Amla, Lavana, Ati, Ushna, Tikshna, Ruksha, Vidahinaha, Ahara, Rajasasya, Ishta, Dukha, Shoka, Amaya Pradaha. So that is the Rajasasya Aharaha. The Rajasa Prakrutehe Ishta Aharaha. Katwamla Lavana Atyushna Tikshna Ruksha Vidahinaha Dukha Shokamaya Pradaha. These are responsible for Dukha Shokamaya Pradaha. If you have the meaning Katu Ahara, the one which are having the Katu Rasa or pungent taste as such, that means which is responsible for the burning sensation in the mouth. Amla, sour substances such as the unripe mango or the orange, etc. Lavana Ahara, the salty substances, excessive salt intake. Atyushna Ahara, that means the ones which are having the Ushna Virya. For example, green chili or red chili, etc. Tikshna Ahara, that is which is responsible for the, what is say that the increase of sharp quality or Tikshna Guna in the body, which is responsible for the inflammation to happen. Ruksha, the substance which are having the dry quality. And Vidahi Ahara. Vidahi Ahara one, that is which is responsible for the burning sensation and thirst, etc. These substances, they are responsible for the Dukkha Shoka Maya. Dukkha in the different kinds of the discomfort. Shoka in the sense the grief, and Amaya, that is responsible for the multiple disease manifestations. When you think about the Rajas Ahara, the substances which are having the Akasha, Vayu and Agni Mahabhuta, they will be having the Rajo Dosha dominance. This is about the example as far as the Ahara are concerned. If the person is consuming the Katu, Amla and Lavana Rasa, which is having the Ushna Virya and Tikshna Guna in the food substances, they are responsible for the increase of Rajo Dosha in the body. This is the example of Ruksha Ahara, that is Poha. If the person is consuming that in excess, naturally, so that will be responsible for the increase of the Ruksha Guna in the Mahasrotas itself. Later, so that is responsible for the Ruksha Guna to occur in the Shakas also. How? Because the person, due to the overconsumption of these Ruksha substances as such, more and more secretions that will be happening into the Mahasrotas or alimentary canal, leading to the shrinkage of intravascular compartment. Later, so that will be responsible for the shrinkage of the interstitial as well as intracellular compartment. In that way, the Ruksha Guna Vriddhi may be observed if the person is continuously consuming Ruksha Ahara. This is about the concept of Vidahi Ahara. So, if the person is taking these substances in excess, naturally, so that will be responsible for the burning sensation to happen in the epigastrium. Sore irritations may happen. Sometimes the person may have headache, etc. That too, headache will be worsened in the midnight or mid-noon. And when the person is going into the sunlight, he will be having the worsening of the symptoms, etc. So that will be observed in cases of the excessive Vidahi Ahara consumption. So the take-home messages from today's discussion are the substances which are having the Akasha, Vayu and Agni Mahabhuta, they are going to increase the Rajo Dosha in the body. In other words, the substances which are having the Laghu, Ruksha, Ushna, Tikshna qualities will be having the Rajo Dosha dominance. For example, spicy substances or bakery items or the salty substances, etc. Dear ANA community, that's all for today. What are the major key takeaways from today's discussion? Mention in the comment box below. What is the one video that you would like to hear in this particular channel? Mention in the comment box below and spread this particular video to maximum number of true Ayurveda learners so that we can make a huge movement out of this particular small message. That's all for today. Something more in the next video. Thank you.